Hey, what's up? Johnny Ripter coming here from the number 1 420 house. We're gonna show you how to use a Xbox 360 plug-in thing to power up your car, your amp, and your car stereo. So, as you see, we have my car stereo, flip up DVD screen, $100 at Walmart. Not bad. Then we come out here, we got the two subs, 15 years old, still bumping like a motherfucker. And somewhere in here is my amp. I think it's probably underneath the subwoofers. But we come over here, and as you see, we have the little 360 charger, like straight up to the terminals. That's pretty much it. If you don't know how to wire in that charger, go on YouTube and see what you can't figure out. I did it all by myself. The only thing that you really need to know is the yellow all goes with yellow, black goes with black. Splice the blue and the red. That's all you gotta do. But now we gotta test it. This is only at 10. Not too bad, huh? The subs are turned down about a quarter of the way. It's only pumping at a quarter.
You to become a member of Club KQ today, online at kqky.com. Cool stuff to win, like Hits 106 gear, movie passes from Carney Cinema 8, concert
not too
tickets,
bad, huh?
so much more. Club KQ.
Well, this is Johnny Ripter coming from the number 1 420 house on the block in Grand Island, Nebraska.
Zero-turn mowers that can cut your mowing time by 45